How's the team?
Looking good today. Like we had tryouts Monday, Tuesday. Today will be the first official day.
Okay. How many kids you have come out?
For varsity, 25. JV was 27. So we had to cut like 17 in total.
Oh,
I know.
that's tough.
Yeah, it is.
Any criers?
Not criers, but yeah, you know, a few of them, you know, was like, you know.
Disappointed.
Yeah.
I get that.
And, you know, it's different because like some schools can keep a freshman team and all that, but we don't. We don't. So it sucks for some of the kids.
Yeah, that's tough, man.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Nice to meet you again, all right?
That's quite a few kids, though.
No, it is.
Come out. That's great. In your opinion, who's the best ball player of all time?
I mean, all
And
time.
don't say LeBron.
that I've seen play, I would have to say LeBron. You know,
No.
I didn't watch. I ain't watched Jordan. Like,
How old are you?
I'm 28. So I ain't grow up. So probably my eyes, LeBron would be the best player.
Kobe? Not even Kobe.
Nah,
You think LeBron's better than Kobe?
I think nothing against Kobe. I think he gets a lot more now because he's passed away. But I do think LeBron's better.
Oh, I'm disappointed in you, bro. LeBron's a straight crybaby. No, I think, honest to God, I think the only reason LeBron is as good as he is because of how big he is.
How big he is?
If you take a player like Curry at his size, doing what he's doing in the league, that takes more raw skill than.
Well, I judge Bron off a lot too. I think he's the only player in this era that could have played back then also though.
Yeah.
I don't think Curry or any of them would have been able to survive back then.
No?
Nah.
Well, because of the size.
Yeah.
I mean, that's, you know, LeBron, he's big, so he just drives in and.
But to do what he's doing in year 19, you don't think that's pretty
Yeah.
amazing?
It is. It is. But I still don't think he's as good as MJ. I don't care
No, that
air
makes sense.
or not. I mean, I'm not saying
Just like I said,
LeBron's not good.
I didn't watch MJ. Just like I said, so I can't like.
Well, I just saw MJ at the end.
Yeah.
My brother, he's 7 years older than me, and he was a huge MJ fan. But it's just, yeah, man. I mean, it's tough to say.
But I also like coming up. I thought if healthy, maybe not Tim, but Penny Hardaway and Tracy McGrady would have been a lot better if they would have stayed healthy. Even Grant Hill.
Grant Hill's nasty. Another thing is back then, like LeBron, like they didn't call fouls like they do now.
Yeah.
Back then.
And now they're changing the thing again with the fouls this year. It's like they're trying to go away from calling all those fouls this year.
Well, they should. I mean, let them play ball. I mean, I get if it's a blatant like.
Yeah.
But come on. Every
He
time.
does cry a lot. That's one thing. He does complain a lot.
Every time, you know, a ball player drives it, they call a foul. It's
an offensive game now. It's like it's so easy for the offense now in basketball.
Yeah.
Like I think basketball is soft now, honestly.
Well, that's the problem.
Yeah, I think it's real soft now.
And that's what it was. You know, back in the day, it wasn't all like that.
Yeah, especially with the Pistons.
Yeah, I mean, and I think that's a huge, like, a lot of ball players nowadays, like you said, could not survive back then because of
the fouls and stuff, yeah.
Oh, dude.
I like Giannis though. He's growing on me. Like I think he's gonna be a problem.
Yeah, there's a lot of good ball players.
I think basketball is in the good hands. Like there's a lot of young guys that can ball.
Yeah, I think they need a new commissioner.
Yeah.
You know, fresh eyes. I think they need to. You know, evolve. They're kind of getting stuck in the old ways.
No, that makes sense.
Too much politics too, man.
I think that's in sports in general. It's like
I agree.
It's like how they're making it now is like I don't get the point. It's like you're blatantly trying to, you know, advocate change. It's just it makes it look weird.
Which is fine on your off time as someone that kids look up to. I think you should do that.
I think the way they're going about it, I think it makes it look fake though, the way they're doing
exactly.
it. Exactly. Yeah. Like I just think it make it look fake.
Them doing it to get a pat on the back.
Exactly.
Did you see that documentary, Kaepernick, on Netflix?
No, I just seen it on Netflix last night. I'm gonna start watching it today. Was it good?
No.
Oh, it's not?
So, well, he's portraying the NFL as slaves. They're enslaving these guys. Mm-hmm. Which I'm thinking like, I didn't know slaves could buy $1 million mansion. I mean, I get, but there was one scene where he was talking about the Columbine and how these scouts look at your physical attributes, make sure you don't have any defects, you know, how fast can you run. And they come off the stage at the Columbine and then they walk in the next scene, it's the same guys in chains at a slave selling. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And I'm like, there's no comparison to that at all. So I just think, like you said, it's just too much, bro. Like,
did you see this dude from the Raiders, man?
Yeah.
I just got the update. It just came from my watch. No, Henry Ruggs that killed the receiver.
No.
Yeah, just got an update on my watch. Well, it happened yesterday. Like
what happened?
He was driving and he hit a lady and she died. And I just got the update. He was going 156 miles per hour. The Raiders released him last night. And he was 2 times above the alcohol limit.
Oh.
101? It just came to my watch. He was going 156 miles.
He going?
Yeah. Yeah, and she died.
He's going to prison, dude. That's crazy. The Raiders are having a tough time
this year.
No, the coach. What do you think about that whole thing?
I mean, honestly, I think it's everywhere though. Like I feel like he's not the only one.
No.
Yeah.
I think there's tons of coaches.
Exactly.
You know, and I get what he said.
Yeah. But for it to come out, that's why I don't like when stuff comes out. Like, why is it like 8 years later? It's like, that's what I don't like about it. Like y'all hid it for so long.
Well, my problem is I don't agree with what he said, but I also don't agree with them going through his private emails.
That makes sense too.
You know what I mean?
If you're not gonna do it to everybody.
Exactly.
Well, weren't they like looking for someone else and then they came across this or something?
Yeah, but that still doesn't give them the right to.
Or were they really looking for someone else?
I don't know. I mean, I get it. He shouldn't have said those things, especially as who he was. But it's just nowadays, like, you have no privacy, bro.
Yeah.
I don't care who you are. I don't care what skin color you are. It don't matter.
If you become part of something like that, you just keep quiet, talk to nobody, no one else.
And that's not American
at all.
Give them a phone call, tell them what you gotta say, and then that.
Ronald Reagan said the scariest words you could ever hear is, "Hi, I'm from the government and I'm here to help." It's crazy. But anyways, I think.
Anyways, y'all see them Cowboys though.
That dude came out of nowhere. You watch football, right?
Yeah, I'm a Chicago fan. They suck this year again.
Yeah, but I like Justin Fields, bro.
And I like Justin Fields. I think we
Just
need
give him
new
some
coaching
time.
staff.
Yeah, give him some time. Get some weapons around him. Get an offensive line, and play him like.
I went to the Bucs Chicago game. It was terrible.
Yeah, well, yeah. Play him. They need to start playing him like Mahomes. How
He's looking bad this year.
Yeah, he is.
I'm more that person. I'm fine as long as the Bucs don't win it again.
Yeah?
Yeah, I hate the Bucs. And I think it's more so their fan base.
Yeah, me too, bro.
That's what I think it's the fan base.
That's funny.
Like, it's not even the team itself, bro. It's just like, they just started winning last year, bro.
And then everybody comes out,
For like 10 years. Like, bro, wait till Brady leaves. We'll see what y'all be coming after that.
Yeah, they enjoy it now what they got.
Well, yeah.
That is true. Nowadays, you know, NFL teams, they don't build a team for the future.
That's
they
right
build
now.
it for now.
That's like the Rams. They're going all in on right now.
Everybody wants to get paid.
Yeah.
It's all right now. I think that's what makes Brady so good, though, is because he's willing to take a pay cut and he's willing to, you know what I'm saying, take less to build a team to win. You saw Von Miller, bro? I was so mad.
Brady ain't got to get paid no more. He's paid enough. He wants to play. He wants to win.
Well, that's what I mean. That's why he's.
So you got younger players that haven't made.
Yeah, so they're trying to get their money.
No, and I get that. You know, that first contract, get it. But after that, you know, what's more important? You want that legacy or do you want to be rich? You could have both. You're smart.
Yeah, big time.
Think about it. How many just bonuses with winning a Super Bowl?
His wife actually makes like
Just that alone.
way more than Brady.
Really?
Yeah, bro. You watch hockey at all?
Nah. I heard it's like fun to go to though.
Oh, bro, I'm going next week. Lightning game. Yeah, Tuesday. No.
Or is it like in the
Yeah, it's at night. It's a blast, bro. And once you learn it, hockey's kind of like soccer, dude.
Bro.
Easy.
Rules-wise, it's easy to learn. The play, probably not. To learn it, though, it's easy. You watch 2-3 games, you pick the one anyway.
Cleaned up. Yeah, you gotta at least go check out one game though.
Gotcha.
One game, I promise you'll not be disappointed. This way, chin down a little bit. Light right here. Look good?
Yeah, you good.
Straight?
Yep.